I'd like to extend my sincere gratitude to your generous support during this critical time. This is extremely valuable to enable us to carry out our mission in protecting globally significant forests that benefit people and nature.
I highly appreciate the funding support in such critical situation, and your support is significant for me and my entire organization to continue our work to safeguard the remaining critical biodiversity and forests, to improve environmental and social sustainability, and to uphold women's role in natural resources management.
Your important support will help me to continue working to empower local and indigenous communities to be active decision makers and participate in the project.
Thank you all very much for your generous support. It helps me, my team, and the rest of the program protect some of the most endangered species on Earth, including the Asian elephant, pangolins, and gibbons.
Your generous support allow me to continue my work helping local and indigenous community improve their livelihood and well-being.
សូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណដល់ម្ចាស់ជំនួយដែលបានផ្ដល់ជាថវិកាដល់អង្គការ CI សម្រាប់គាំទ្រដល់សហគមន៍នាងខ្ញុំហើយគាត់ផ្ដល់ជំនួយនឹងបានជួយដល់សហគមន៍នាងខ្ញុំនៅផ្នែកជីវភាពសហគមន៍ជាច្រើនគ្រួសារនាងខ្ញុំនឹងមានភាពរីកចម្រើនហើយដែលព្រៃឈើនិងសត្វព្រៃរបស់ដែលខាងភូមិខ្ញុំនឹងបានសល់ច្រើនឥឡូវអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនខាងម្ចាស់ជំនួយនឹងគាត់អញ្ជើញមកបើចង់ឃើញអីគាត់អញ្ជើញមកទស្សនាផ្ទាល់ក៏បានដែរមានសត្វព្រៃមានព្រៃឈើជាពិសេសខ្នងព្រះដែលនៅខាងភូមិរបស់នាងខ្ញុំនឹងកំពុងតែគេទៅលេងជាច្រើនមានធម្មជាតិស្អាតស្រស់បំព្រងបណ្ដោយ
Thank you so much for providing funding in such a critical time of need.
Thank you from CI Cambodia.
សូមអរគុណ